Unfortunately, my warranty expires here in the next 3 months. So this would probably be a good time to get rid of it, but it's been an awesome car. I'm gonna keep it. It's never had any issues since it was new. I haven't had any problems with it, no glitches. So I like the car so much. I'm not gonna get rid of it no time soon. Maybe whenever the next generation Granturismo comes out, I might trade it in, or maybe on the C8 Corvette. But in the meantime, I plan to keep it. So this brings me to the next question. Now that my car will be out of warranty, I'm kind of thinking about just doing the maintenance on my car myself. I got a quote for an oil change, just an oil change, and it was $460. So I got 23,500 miles. So it's kind of moderate mileage for a Granturismo. So the thing about that oil change is, I feel like it'd be ironic for me to take it to a dealership since I'm a mechanic myself, and I've done plenty of oil changes. Just do a quick little takeoff right here. Get to listen to that exhaust. So it's not that I'm being a cheap ass, but it's just that I had it up in the ramps, and I was looking at it, and it looks like such an easy oil change. The oil filter is really accessible. It's not in a tight spot. The drain plug as well. And this car has it's got a wet sump oil system. Some of the dry sumps that used an external oil tank, I know the procedure might be a little bit different, but this is just like a regular engine, so there's really nothing complicated about doing an oil change on this. So, not to mention, I gotta drive over an hour to my nearest Maserati dealership and wait on it all day. So I think I might as well just save the $300 and do it myself, since the car is gonna be out of warranty. So there's no really any warranty issues there. Another thing I had considered is whether I would buy the extended warranty. The extended warranty on this car would be $4,600. That's for 2 years, unlimited mileage. It's not a bumper to bumper warranty, but it covers just about everything, except for the cosmetics and some of the trims and stuff like that. So it's a good warranty for sure. But the thing about having that unlimited mileage warranty is the maintenance requirements are so strict. For me to be able to qualify for that here in the next 3 months, I would have to get my 4th year service. That service is over $2,000. That includes replacing all the filters, all the fluids, I believe the O2 sensors, I think even my drive belts. The thing is, all of that was done 2 years ago, and the car's only had 3,500 miles. So they be doing a lot of services that are not even needed, but just to stay under the warranty guidelines, I'd have to pay that money anyways. Even my windshield wipers, I believe they told me that was a requirement. So it's definitely very strict for sure. So I would have to pay the $4,600 for the warranty, and I believe I was quoted somewhere around $2,600 for the 4th year service. So for that reason, I think I'm not gonna get extended warranty, just because of the huge fee with it, not to mention all the stuff I have to do just to keep it under warranty. the very strict service requirements. But let me know what you guys think, whether I should buy that extended warranty, whether I should service the car myself, or if I should just take it to a dealership, even though it's out of warranty, even though it's going to be out of warranty, just so it can stay on the records that it's been serviced by a Maserati dealership. I know having records definitely does something on trading value and resale, but when it comes to Maseratis, resale sucks anyway, so I don't think that really matters. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.